Hey guys, it's Traeh, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all some products that I received from African Pride.
My name is Wendy, and today's video is all about hair.
So today I partnered with African Pride to try out their brand new Moisture Miracle collection.
So all of these products are a part of their new Moisture Miracle line, which just means that they all aim toward providing moisture to every step of the washing and styling process.
A lot of you want to know how I take care of my hair and what products I use, and the truth is I wash my hair once a week and I just make sure to deep condition and use really good products that my hair responds to.
So I'm going to be trying out these products over the next few days, and I'm going to come back to you guys and we're going to take a closer look at the entire collection.
The first product in the Moisture Miracle line is the Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo.
This pre-shampoo is definitely a must if you're dealing with matted hair, if your hair gets super tangled. This one is definitely a miracle for your hair.
This protects and conditions your hair before you put the shampoo in to cleanse your scalp and get your hair fresh to death for what you're about to do with all those styles you be doing, okay?
So the next item in the collection is the Honey and Coconut Oil Nurse and Shine Shampoo. And this is supposed to hydrate and elongate your curls. And it's a very gentle formula, so it's not going to strip your hair of its natural oils.
I also use the honey, chocolate, and coconut oil conditioner. I like the texture of it. Chocolate or cacao in your hair is actually really good for preventing dry hair and helping out dry hair. After that, I use the Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. This felt awesome. It is so creamy and rich but still light.
And it's super thick, okay? It's extremely thick, like it's not going anywhere thick, okay? Heat is the trick, okay? Heat is the GOAT, okay? It is a heat activated mask, so it works well once you apply heat to your hair. After that, my hair felt so soft, so moisturized, so I really did end up liking this.
The fifth product in the line is the Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine Leave-In. And this is supposed to soften and refresh natural curls and coils.
So they did come out with 2 leave-in conditioners, a spray and a cream. So I did end up using the leave-in cream for the left side of my head, and then I used the spray for my right side of my head.
The leave-in cream is so creamy, it's so rich, it feels so good in your hair. I knew right away, I was like, oh, okay. Like, I just know with some products, and this one's definitely it.
And I really like that you have the option of using a leave-in cream and a leave-in spray. So I did use their leave-in conditioner spray on my right side of my head. It's nice and lightweight, it feels good on the hair.
This one smells like honey too. It's very lightweight. It's just gonna leave moisture in your hair without weighing it down. For the styling product, we have this Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Curling Cream.
It's super moisturizing, and I honestly feel like it will work on its own without using any type of leave-in. My hair is still defined, it's soft, it's bouncy, it has a nice shine to it, and it just feels so good.
I sealed it with the 5 essential oils with vitamin E. This was perfect to put over to really seal in that moisture.
So this is going to have castor oil, grapeseed, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil.
So I did do a braid out on my hair, and after I got done the braids, I did apply their oil to my scalp. I also used this oil to help me unravel the braids as well.
All in all, I really like this line, and this is available at the Dollar General, which I think is awesome.
So as you can see, I just have a ton of volume, and I love how this made my hair feel.
My final thoughts on African Pride, I feel like they did not come to play with this new line. I really like the fact that these products are catered towards kinky curly hair. I love the fact that they're affordable, they have quality ingredients. My 2 favorites would have to be their pre-shampoo for wash day and their curling cream for styling. But you can check out their entire line at Dollar General. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.